PS3 stuck on green light, no display. How to fix it fast. Is your PS3 turning on with a green light, but your TV shows nothing but a black screen? I know how frustrating it is when you just want to play, but your console seems stuck. Do not worry, you can fix this issue yourself at home after watching this video. We will go through the steps together. If you face any difficulty, please leave a comment. I will reply to you within 1 hour. Please like, share, and subscribe to Tech Vibes for more helpful tech tips. Now let us start with the first solution. The most common reason for a black screen is a resolution mismatch. We need to reset the video output. First, make sure your console is in standby mode with a red light. Press and hold the power button. Keep holding it until you hear a second beep. This takes about 5 seconds. Release the button immediately. Your PS3 has now reset its video settings to the lowest resolution. Check if an image appears on your screen. If that did not work, check your HDMI cable. Ensure it is plugged in firmly at both ends. Try using a different HDMI port on your TV. Sometimes a specific port can fail. If you still have no display, we need to enter safe mode. This is a special menu for deep troubleshooting. To enter safe mode, hold the power button until the system beeps and shuts down completely. Hold the power button again, you will hear one beep, then a quick double beep. Release it then. Connect your controller with a USB cable. Go to option 3, restore file system, and select it. If that fails, try option 4, rebuild database. This fixes corrupted files that might block the display. Sometimes a loose hard drive can cause boot issues. We call this the hard disk drive, or HDD. Slide the HDD out, then push it back in firmly. Make sure it is seated correctly and the screw is tight. If none of these steps work, your console might have a hardware failure known as the green light of death. Try cleaning the dust from the vents. Overheating can sometimes cause the system to fail during boot. Most display issues are solved by the video reset or safe mode. Your PS3 should be back in action now. I hope this guide helped you fix your console. Do not forget to subscribe to Tech Vibes for more help. Happy gaming. Goodbye for now.